Man, just joking. Just joking. So guys, it's a little bit of a different video today. Obviously, I've got myself on the mic loud and clear because normally when I record my videos it's about this far away from my mouth. So yeah, I should be loud and crisp and clear. I can even do a bit of what do you call it, that MSI, whatever. Hey guys, you having a good day today? Anyway guys, I've seen a comment actually told me to give you guys a room tour, so this video is going to basically involve around that, but not exactly a room tour. It's going to be basically, I'm going to show you guys how I make my YouTube videos, my setup, my equipment, stuff like that. I'm going to show it all to you guys, and my room tour will be some other time, but not right now. It's all about the setup. It's about this side of the room. Show them this side of the room. It's all about this side of the room today. As you can see, today it's all about that side. Another day will be all about this side, but there is one thing that I want to show you from this side though. But yeah, we'll get to that later. Anyway, so first of all, this is my setup, my studio kind of thing. So I'm working with a very small room, so you guys just know that, right? So I have to kind of just manage what I got right now. So I'm gonna sit down. So luckily enough for me, this room is tiny. It's small. Once my setup is in there, it's absolutely tiny. So I feel like I'm in church. Holding a mic. I feel like I'm in church. But anyway, so luckily I've got this little kind of like section bit in there that kind of just is like a waste of space basically. But I've just shoved my camera, my mic, and my lighting in there. So basically, so I'm not eating up a lot of room in the, a lot of space in the room. So yeah, that's what I've done. I just shoved it all in there, and in there that's the boiler room. So that's nothing really exciting. So what I've actually done is put the camera tripod all the way at the back, yeah, and obviously my camera mounts on there, which is the camera I'm using right now, which is the Canon EOS 90D. Absolutely beautiful camera, 4K. It's just, I don't know, what can I say? It's just absolutely awesome. And then up next is my mic stand, which is right down there. This is what I normally put my mic on, so it sits like that. So like I said to you guys and at the beginning of the video, I sit at like this far away from a mic. But what I'm trying to do in the future is kind of get like a boom arm from here going up and then shooting straight down to my mouth, which is going to be like around this area right here. That's what I want to do in the future. But at the moment, I'm kind of liking the fact that when the camera is on and I'm in frame, it kind of just has like a little, it sticks out like this at the bottom, and it kind of just blurs it out because of the lens I'm using right now, which I will get to later on. Kind of just blends it out, and I like that kind of look and effect, which is really nice. But ideally I should be having it closer to my mouth. But yeah, moving on from that is my light. This is the Godox VL150. I used to have the Godox I think GL6, is it GL60? No, SL60W, that's the one. I used to have the Godox SL60W, but changed that for this one. This is the VL150. It's extremely bright. This right now is only 30%, and 100%, trust me, you don't want to see 100% because it is bright. But yeah, I normally have it down. I have it at 25% whenever I'm doing my videos. And then yeah, it comes with the soft box I had to buy. This is from Nugan, I believe. Yes, it's from Nugan. 80 centimeters, which is nice, quite big, so it diffuses a lot of the light that comes from the light. And it's nice because it kind of just fills in this whole area where I'm basically making video on. And then I just got a few other of my old lighting gear just those cheap, cheap lighting gear that came in that box over there. Just have it all in there. Then I've got some weight. I've got a brick in there, just weighing everything down. So it was nice. Oh yeah, that's pretty much what's back there. And then I've got the big box that obviously the light came in. And then you have this. This is my table right here. My table that I use. Yeah, my table that I use, this is just from IKEA. Literally, I bought the legs from IKEA, bought the top from IKEA, slapped it together, and there you have it. We've got a table, a nice table to work on. And then this light over here, let me just move over to this side. This light is my hair light. Absolutely love this guy because obviously the hair light, it basically removes me away from my background, so I don't fall back into my background, if that makes sense. So it shines. I normally have it at the back here. I'm on my stool, and I have it shining onto my backside, well, my back, my neck, and my head and my shoulders. So it just kind of just takes me away from the background, so I don't fall into the background. Then my stool. This is the bad boy I always sit on, so I'm sitting something like this. I'm doing a little bit more of a MSI, SSMI, ASMR. That's what you guys are live today, huh? Yes, I see you guys, beautiful faces. I don't know if you guys heard that, but. Beautiful. The mic tastes so good. No, I'm just joking. Just joking. But yeah, like I said, that's my stool that I use. It's nice. Reason why I use that stool instead of my seat that actually I have in here, which I've actually taken out because it just takes up a lot of room, because I don't really like that kind of seat. Just on your back, it makes it look unprofessional, like untidy. I just like I don't know, it's just nice. But yeah, that's everything here. Got the hair light, and then we got a window which is really, really irritating. I swear, I wish this window wasn't here. I swear down, because I would have just liked it to be a nice white wall going back. Kind of made something a little bit a while back ago, but I didn't really like the way it looked. But what I do, I just normally just tuck it in like that, so it looks more like it flows more, basically. Well, yeah, it's nice. And yeah, one more thing I want to show you guys is what I use to edit my video before I get into the camera and the gear that I have. Well, I use Premiere Pro. The legit one is just bringing this up because I need to pay for it. Someone decides to call me. Anyway, guys, I'll deal with that later. Well, yeah, Premiere Pro I use to obviously make my edit my videos, and then what I use to make my thumbnail is, I think it's Paint 3D from Microsoft. But yeah, I'm not gonna get into that. But yeah, this is my kind of like my background when I obviously make my videos, which is very nice. And then the camera I'm using, like I said, is the Canon EOS 90D, and the lens I've got on there is an absolutely beautiful lens. If you're a YouTuber, go start off with that lens. Just absolutely awesome. It's the Sigma art lens. It's the 18 to 35 millimeter, and it's just an absolutely beautiful lens. Like, I'm shooting at 1.8 aperture, and when I get close, see how I can get even closer. The background is just so blurred out. The background is just absolutely unreal. But yeah, this is what I love. I really like the lens. Absolutely amazing lens. And of course, I got my Canon 80D over there, which is what I used to use before, but that was only capped out at 1080, and everyone's moving on to 4K, so I thought, you know what, I might as well move on to 4K and things. You get what I'm saying? And then down here is my charging station, and where obviously I plug in my lights, which is awesome. So I got my light there and my charging station for my battery for the camera, which is pretty cool. But yeah, that's my workspace that I have to work with when I upload videos for you guys on YouTube. It's a very, very small space, but I mean, you got to work with and make do with what you got. But I'm very, very happy because of this kind of indentation that's on this side of the wall. If it was just cut out, then I don't know how how I would make these videos. But I think this like takes most of the space, but you know, it is what it is. But I'm just happy that there's a nice little slot there that I can just chuck everything and put everything in there, and yeah, call it a day. But yeah, guys, that's been a tour on my YouTube studio. It's very small, but yeah, guys, I enjoy making videos, and yeah, I mean, I just got to work with what I got. Anyway, guys, please, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, also turn your post notifications on so you don't miss out whenever I upload a video. And yeah, that's all I got to say. Just join me back for a full tour on this bad boy, because this is a big boy and a half. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.